Can you try solving this within 5 seconds? Did you use the conventional method? As in, 9 2s are 18, 23 minus 18 is 5, 1 brought down, 9 5s are 45, remainder 6, and so on and so forth. But this method is so tedious. Let's learn a smarter way for division by 9. Now, the first step is to write the dividend as it is with a certain gap between the digits, like 2, 3, 1, 0, 1 and 1. Okay, now the first step is to write the first digit as is, that is 2 as 2. Then add this result with the second digit of the number, that is 2 plus 3, which is 5. Alright, now the next step is to add this digit with the third digit of the number, that is 5 plus 1, which is 6. Now the next step is to add this number with the fourth digit of the number, that is 6 plus 0, which is 6. Okay, then 6 plus 1, which is 7. Now, last but not the least is 7 plus 1, which is 8. Now, you would have surely noticed that I have written this number separately. Can you guess why? Because this is the remainder and this number is the quotient. That is 25,667 is your quotient and remainder is equals to 8. Believe me friends, this is the correct answer and this is so quick and simple. Let's have a review of the steps. First you have to write the dividend as is with a certain gap between the digits. Okay, then write the first digit as is. Then add this result to the second digit of the number. Then add this result to the third digit of the number. Then add this result for the fourth digit of the number. Add this result with the fifth digit of the number. Add this result with the last digit of the number and write it separately. So we have to keep on adding till we reach the last digit. Okay, I hope I have made myself clear. Let's take up one more example. The second example says 2,31,062 divided by 9. Again I have written the dividend with the digits being spaced out with each other. Now the first step is to write the first digit as is. Now add this with 3, which is 5. Add 5 with 1, which is 6. Add 6 with 0, which is again 6. Now add 6 with this 6, I get 12. But I have a space only to accommodate a single digit. So 1 will go as a carryover. Now 6 plus 6 is 12. 2 I will write it over here and 1 over here. Now 12 plus 2 is 14. 14 I will write separately. Why? Because this is the remainder. Now, what will be the final quotient if I add this up? 2 as it is, 6 plus 1 7, 6 as it is, 5 as it is, 2 as it is. So, quotient is coming out to be 25,672 while remainder is coming out to be 14. Now, we all know that dividend is divisor into quotient plus remainder, right? Now, what is the divisor? 9. What is the quotient? This. What is the remainder? R. Now, if I multiply 25,672 into 9 plus 14, I'll get the same dividend, which is 2,31,062. But my question to you is this answer correct? In reality, the answer is not correct. This is wrong. Why? Because this is not possible wherein a remainder is greater than your divisor. Here remainder is 14 and it is greater than the divisor. How is it possible? It is not possible. Let's understand it with the help of an example. If I take a number 22 and have to divide it by 3. Now there are two possibilities I can consider. One, I can divide it through this. 3 7s are 21 and get 1 as the remainder. The other possibility, 3 6 are 18 and I'll get 4 as the remainder. Now which one of these is the correct method? Obviously this, wherein remainder is less than the quotient, and not this wherein remainder is greater than the divisor. Okay, now this is right and this is wrong. So what will I do to correct my answer? I'll just subtract 9 from this and get 5 as the remainder and add 1 to the quotient to get 3 over here. Okay, so what I did is, जो भी मेरा रिमाइंडर आया था, I just subtracted the divisor from this remainder and got 5 and add 1 to the quotient. Now why did I do this? See from here, now the correct answer was this and this was the wrong answer. तो what I did, 6 से 7 कैसे आया? Plus 1 करके. Okay, हमें quotient क्या चाहिए था? 7, but था क्या? 6. So I added 1 in the quotient. So I added 1 in the quotient. 2 plus 1, 3. Rest was same like before. And इधर क्या था? Here remainder was 4. तो मैंने क्या subtract किया? 4 में से कि 1 आए? Divisor, which is 3. यहाँ पे divisor क्या था? 9. So मैंने remainder में से divisor minus किया. So I got 5 as the remainder. So the final answer would be 25,673 is the quotient and the remainder is coming out to be 5. Alright, so this was the answer for this example. I hope you understood this. Keep practicing because practice only makes a man perfect. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more tricky tricks. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Till then, keep smiling, be happy and take care.